Good morning, everyone. This is our last week of digital learning, and so I'm going to give you this time to make up any assignments that you may have not completed yet. I have made it easy for you by providing a document that has those assignments. So what you need to do is you need to go to the grade book section of Edsby, check your grades. If you have any zeros or any grades that you um, are failing for any assignments, you have the opportunity to make those up. They will be found here or in the content section where I have week 4, week 5, week 6, and week 7. So those will be easy to find. The assignments are right there. I just want to say that it's been a pleasure to have each and every one of you as a student. I know that the end of this year was a little different than anything anyone's expected, and you guys have been able to handle it with grace, and you guys have done a great job showing me that you're able to adapt. If you guys have any questions next year, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and hopefully I'll see your smiling faces on campus in August. Everyone have a great summer. If you have any questions, reach out to me. But this remainder of the week is for makeup, so hope everyone has a great day.